starting by removing everything from the showers so I can get all of the shelves cleaned off really well. Today I'm using the Method bathroom cleaner in the eucalyptus mint scent along with my Casabella scrub brushes to clean our master shower. This video is edited slightly different than the last time I filmed my shower being clean because I left in just a couple of the sounds from the water and the scrubbing in case that was relaxing for anyone watching. I know for me personally, these sounds can be soothing and calming to hear. And I do apologize for my voice today. My entire family got taken out with a bad cold and we are all on the mend. I am feeling much better, but my voice is probably going to be the last thing to come back. But I didn't want to delay this video any longer. So here I am. We're just going to get through it and my voice should be much better on the next one. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Jenny and I'm a mom of 3 and I like to create videos on cleaning, organizing, decorating, productive routines, also anxiety management. My house isn't always clean, but I noticed that when I take the time to put in the effort to try to create a clean and calm space for myself and for my family, I do feel less stressed and I enjoy better mental health overall. So I do try to make it a priority. And I hope that this video will inspire you in some small way to continue the sometimes hard but always important work of creating this kind of environment for yourself and your family too. Thank you so much for taking the time to come to my channel and hang out with me while I clean. So if you like what you see, I really hope you'll hit that subscribe button and join me. I really like these Casabella scrubbers. They come in all shapes and sizes and do a really good job scrubbing these bathroom tiles as well as the grout. I've been trying to get in the habit of coming in here once a month to give it a good deep clean, and then I've been using the Method Daily Shower Spray each time I shower to keep mold and mildew at bay in between scrubbings. We will dance away. And if my shower looks a bit strange to you, it's probably because my husband Tony is a wheelchair user, and so it's designed for him to use as well. I don't mind because his shower chair comes in handy when I'm shaving my legs. But we had the shower modified about 2 years ago and it's been really nice for him. Also, the detachable shower head that he uses makes it a lot easier to clean the shower. So satisfying to have a nice clean shower, and I already cannot wait to take a shower in here and have it be so nice and fresh and clean. And I'm starting out the rest of the bathroom by washing the shower rug. And then after that, I like to get the toilet cleaned and done with, since that's my least favorite part. To clean the toilet, I just use Clorox wipes, and since it's such a tight space, I like to clean the baseboards and floor tiles while I'm in that corner. In here, I also just dry off the toilet with a paper towel. I use microfiber cloths to clean my house, but in the bathroom, I do like to use a paper towel because of the germs. And if this video is inspiring or motivating to you guys in any way, please go ahead and hit that like button for me. It helps my channel so much and I appreciate it so much. Thank you. Thank you to everyone who gave me video suggestions for this year. I really appreciate it. I still do have some slots left. So when I made my content calendar this year, I went ahead and filled it all out for the year, but I did leave 12 slots open, one per month, that I call subscriber choice. And I would love for you to let me know what you would like me to film for those slots. So if you're subscribed to my channel and you have an idea, please let me know in the comments. I would love to make those videos for you guys. And thank you again to those who already gave me suggestions. They were really good suggestions. I cannot tell you how excited I am about this year, because this is the first time I've had like a full YouTube year to kind of plan out my content. And I'm just really excited to share all these new ideas with you guys in the hopes that it will inspire you and motivate you, and that you'll enjoy them just as much as I enjoy making them.
Your ball and chain. Once you set that fire into motion.
This taller sink without a cabinet is my husband's, so I'm starting there and using the Method glass and surface spray to clean. And as you can see, I do kind of like Method products. I do tend to buy those a lot. They're not the only cleaning products I use, but I do have a lot of Method products because I like the way they smell and they kind of relax me while I'm cleaning. But let me know in the comments, what are your favorite bathroom cleaning products? And it can be like scrubbers or cleaners or cloths or anything like that, or shower sprays. Just let me know, what are all your favorite things to use? I would love to know.
Forget about staying safe. Oh, oh, we know lovers, we know pain. Your lack of will is your ball and chain. Gravel road, I'm filled with promises. Truth is hard to bear.
And for my sink cabinet and for the towel cabinet, I'm using the Method Wood for Good with a microfiber cloth.
As we grow old, gravel road, send me an extra hello. Your whispers set dawn are soft, greeting morning's gentle touch. Oh, what glorious days. Nature smitten me with your grace.
I like to get on my hands and knees to clean the bathroom floors with a Clorox wipe, because I just feel like that's how I know for sure that it's clean, but I don't clean all my floors like this.
Tall grass branches, swans and ponds.
And if you're still in the cleaning mood, I have a couple of good options here for you. On the left is another bathroom cleaning video, and then on the right is a cleaning playlist, so you can get all the motivation with just one click. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope to see you again very soon as we clean our way to calm.